Intro. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, though recently launched, has already begun to unveil mysteries that stretch across the vastness of space. A stunning cosmic visitor has captured the attention of scientists globally, leaving them in awe and disbelief. Researchers from all fields have rushed to make sense of this foreign interstellar object. The moment the JWST began its mission, it expanded our comprehension of the universe, transforming scientific knowledge in ways that once seemed unthinkable. The telescope has drastically enhanced our ability to examine the cosmos, producing the first confirmed image of Oumuamua, a mysterious interstellar object that has ignited widespread debate. But what exactly is this perplexing cosmic traveler? Could it have originated from an extraordinary source, as some researchers now hypothesize? Embark on an exciting exploration to uncover the remarkable secrets hidden within Oumuamua and delve into the truths surrounding this galactic enigma. This journey promises to reshape everything we believed we knew about our place in the universe. Picture an object that challenges every assumption we've held about the cosmos. Emerging from the most remote corners of space, it appears as a long, cigar-shaped entity. Its form is almost surreal and otherworldly, resembling a massive needle or cigar. Its unusual shape sparks curiosity, urging us to investigate the mysteries hidden in its extraterrestrial origins. The story began on October 19, 2017, when the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, positioned atop a mountain in Hawaii, directed its gaze toward the stars. Little did astronomers know, this moment would represent a pivotal shift in our understanding of the universe. The groundbreaking discovery was made when Pan-STARRS 1 detected Oumuamua, an object unlike anything previously seen. This marked a monumental achievement. Humanity had witnessed an interstellar object originating from beyond our solar system. Even more astounding was the fact that this radiant wanderer had traveled across the vast expanse of space, entering our solar system and heading toward Earth. The sudden arrival of Oumuamua set off a frenzy within the scientific community, cementing its place in the annals of astronomical discovery. Its unexpected appearance held the potential to reveal some of the universe's most elusive secrets, sparking a relentless pursuit to capture an accurate image of it. However, space scientists knew that the mission would only be considered complete once the enigma of this celestial visitor had been fully unraveled. To accomplish this, astronomers turned to the revolutionary capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. What is Oumuamua? The JWST is a groundbreaking tool specifically designed to explore and uncover the mysteries of interstellar objects that pass through our solar system. Its advanced technology enables it to capture and analyze infrared light, which would prove invaluable for future investigations. With cutting-edge, high-resolution instruments, the JWST opens new horizons in space exploration. Its unparalleled sensitivity allows scientists to detect objects that would otherwise remain too faint, distant, or ancient for traditional telescopes to observe. The telescope's immense power empowers us to delve into the complexities of remarkable interstellar visitors, offering details that would be impossible to detect from Earth alone, where close-up observations are impossible. As the sharpest observer in the universe, this extraordinary tool provides unmatched clarity, enabling us to reveal the hidden secrets of far-off wanderers. As interstellar objects drift into our solar system, the JWST serves as our guide, capturing their essence far beyond simple images. It continuously merges hundreds, even thousands, of photos to produce ultra-high-resolution pictures, allowing scientists to analyze every minute detail. Thanks to the JWST, researchers can now study the smallest and most intricate features of these cosmic travelers, uncovering mysteries that have remained concealed for eons. The JWST is not only an advanced scientific instrument but also a gateway to revolutionary discoveries. Its unmatched abilities allow scientists to explore the farthest reaches of space with precision and clarity, revealing aspects of the universe previously beyond our grasp. We are opening a new chapter in our cosmic exploration, one filled with thrilling scientific opportunities. With its help, scientists aim to expand the limits of human knowledge and curiosity about the cosmos, uncovering truths that have been hidden for centuries. The JWST was selected for this vital mission, breaking new ground and plunging deeper into the realm of cosmic discovery. Yet, we must also acknowledge the impressive capabilities of the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope. While it differs from the JWST in many respects, it remains a powerful instrument in its own right. Positioned atop the Haleakala volcano in Maui, Hawaii, Pan-STARRS 1 stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Its 1.8-meter primary mirror plays a pivotal role in the ambitious Pan-STARRS project, a collaborative effort involving prestigious institutions such as the University of Hawaii's Institute for Astronomy, MIT's Lincoln Laboratory, the Maui High Performance Computing Center, and the Science Applications International Corporation, SAIC. These organizations combine their expertise to explore the mysteries of the universe using the power of this extraordinary instrument. Pan-STARRS 1 excels in wide-field imaging, allowing it to capture the breathtaking wonders of the cosmos. Its mission is to conduct sky surveys that uncover celestial phenomena, from the dazzling brilliance of distant galaxies to the mesmerizing shapes of nebulae, and from faraway comets to the steady movement of asteroids. This telescope maps the universe, capturing the fine details that define our vast cosmic landscape. Pan-STARRS 1 relies on its advanced S1 image processing pipeline, IP, to manage the massive volumes of data generated during these surveys. This cutting-edge technology ensures rapid and accurate processing of the many images captured, enabling scientists to extract valuable insights. One of Pan-STARRS 1's most notable contributions is the Near-Earth Object, NEO, survey, an initiative dedicated to scanning the northern sky for potentially hazardous objects. The survey is crucial for planetary defense, identifying any objects that could pose a threat to Earth. This is the very survey that led to the extraordinary discovery of Oumuamua, an event that forever altered our quest to understand the universe. Final thoughts and what's next? Sometimes the most remarkable discoveries are made by chance, and this was certainly the case with Oumuamua. While performing its primary mission, the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope stumbled upon this astonishing cosmic visitor. Initially, scientists believed they had detected an incoming asteroid, a common event in space studies. However, further analysis revealed the startling truth. Oumuamua, with its strange shape and odd behavior, defied the expectations for an asteroid. This strange wanderer was far from ordinary, and it quickly became apparent that it carried an extraordinary story. As more data was collected, it became clear that Oumuamua was not a typical asteroid or comet. Its erratic changes in trajectory left scientists puzzled, raising numerous questions about its true nature. As it sped through our solar system, astronomers raced against time, fully aware that each second counted. Its rapid movement meant that they had limited time to gather crucial data before it disappeared from sight. The urgency was palpable, as every moment brought them closer to losing the opportunity to study this captivating anomaly. With support from NASA, the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile was enlisted to take precise measurements and perform detailed analyses. Together, NASA and the VLT prepared for observations that would uncover the hidden mysteries of this celestial enigma. The VLT, with its unparalleled accuracy and advanced technology, meticulously studied Oumuamua, seeking any clues that might reveal its origins and composition. During this investigation, the cigar-like shape of the object became unmistakable. As the data continued to arrive, it was clear that this was not a typical asteroid or comet, but rather something far more unusual, Oumuamua, a true interstellar traveler whose origins lay in distant star systems. But this was only the beginning. The more scientists analyzed Oumuamua, the more perplexing its behavior became. One of the most baffling aspects was its unexplained acceleration. Normally, objects like asteroids and comets follow predictable paths shaped by the sun's gravitational pull. However, Oumuamua did not adhere to these patterns. Instead, it appeared to speed up, moving faster in a way that gravity alone could not explain. Initially, scientists speculated that the acceleration could be caused by sunlight interacting with the object, an effect known as the Yarkovsky effect, where heat from the sun propels an object through space. However, Oumuamua's acceleration was so unusual that this theory did not fully account for its behavior. Some researchers even proposed that Oumuamua might not be a natural object at all, but instead a piece of advanced technology sent by an extraterrestrial civilization. These ideas have sparked significant debate within the scientific community and the media. The possibility that Oumuamua could be an alien probe intentionally sent to explore our solar system has led to excitement and skepticism in equal measure. Its bizarre shape, unexpected acceleration, and rapid movement have prompted some to consider the idea of an extraterrestrial origin. But others caution against jumping to conclusions, arguing that the evidence for such a theory is insufficient. Regardless of the differing opinions, one thing is clear: Oumuamua is unlike anything we have ever encountered. Its sudden appearance and remarkable characteristics make it a historic discovery, offering tantalizing glimpses into the nature of interstellar objects and raising the exciting possibility of life beyond Earth. The arrival of Oumuamua has ignited not only the scientific community but also a broader public conversation about extraterrestrial life. This mysterious object, which defies all conventional expectations, continues to fuel theories and discussions. While some researchers remain focused on natural explanations, such as its unusual trajectory and acceleration resulting from physical phenomena like the Yarkovsky effect, others are more inclined to explore the idea that Oumuamua could be something entirely different, a probe sent from an advanced civilization. This hypothesis has drawn comparisons to other unexplained phenomena, such as the famous WOW signal detected by the Big Ear radio telescope in 1977, which remains one of the most intriguing potential signs of extraterrestrial communication. However, this theory also faces considerable opposition. Critics argue that the notion of an alien probe is highly speculative, especially given the lack of concrete evidence for extraterrestrial civilizations capable of sending such objects across vast cosmic distances. Most scientists currently hold that Oumuamua is a natural object, one that is incredibly strange. Could be a fragment of a larger body, such as a comet or asteroid, that broke apart during its journey through space. Its erratic behavior may be explained by a combination of natural phenomena that we have yet to fully understand. As more data is collected from ongoing observations, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The appearance of Oumuamua has fundamentally challenged our understanding of what is possible in space. Even if it is a natural object, its origins remain a mystery. Its trajectory suggests that it came from outside our solar system, which raises the tantalizing possibility that Oumuamua is the first of many interstellar visitors we may encounter in the future. Astronomers are now considering the implications of this discovery for future space exploration. The fact that objects like Oumuamua can travel through our solar system undetected until they are already on their way out again highlights our current inability to effectively track interstellar objects. This realization makes the need for more advanced telescopes and detection methods all the more urgent. The discovery of Oumuamua could spur the development of new technologies and methods for surveying the cosmos for other interstellar objects, some of which might hold crucial clues about the nature of the universe itself. The question of whether Oumuamua was a probe from an alien civilization, a natural object, or something entirely different remains unresolved. Nevertheless, its mere presence in our solar system has already provided valuable insights into the mechanics of interstellar objects and has inspired new theories about their origins. This highlights the importance of space exploration and humanity's ongoing pursuit of knowledge to answer the universe's most profound questions. As more advanced instruments like the JWST continue to push the boundaries of space research, the potential for uncovering the secrets of interstellar space grows with every passing year. Furthermore, the debate surrounding Oumuamua underscores the importance of approaching unexplained phenomena with an open mind. In the past, many ideas were dismissed as too radical or speculative. Yet discoveries like this show that the universe may hold far more than we currently understand. Just as the heliocentric model revolutionized our comprehension of the solar system, the study of objects like Oumuamua has the potential to transform our understanding of the cosmos on a much grander scale. Beyond its astronomical significance, the visit of Oumuamua serves as a reminder of humanity's intrinsic desire for exploration and discovery. As technology advances and our comprehension of the universe deepens, the possibility that we may someday encounter other interstellar objects or even extraterrestrial civilizations remains tantalizing. The study of Oumuamua is not just about understanding one peculiar object. It is about expanding our knowledge of the universe as a whole. It forces us to challenge long-held assumptions and confront the possibility that life or evidence of life might exist in forms we have never before imagined. The significance of Oumuamua's visit reaches beyond simply understanding one peculiar object. It serves as a profound opportunity to expand our knowledge of the universe itself. The appearance of such a mysterious and unconventional interstellar visitor challenges long-held assumptions about space and compels us to reconsider the limits of our scientific understanding. As we study Oumuamua, we are also pushed to confront the possibility that life or evidence of life could exist in ways that are vastly different from anything we've ever imagined. This discovery highlights the critical need for continued exploration and innovation in the field of astronomy. As our technological capabilities advance, so too must our methods for studying the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope is already playing a central role in this endeavor, but there's no doubt that additional telescopes and detection systems will be necessary to fully explore the endless expanse of space. Each new discovery, like Oumuamua, reminds us that our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy, and the possibilities for new discoveries are virtually limitless. In the coming years, astronomers and scientists will no doubt continue to study the implications of Oumuamua's journey. It represents not only an extraordinary celestial phenomenon, but also a potential gateway to greater insights about the nature of space-time and even extraterrestrial life. While it remains unclear whether Oumuamua is a natural object or something more extraordinary, its role in the advancement of scientific exploration is already undeniable. The debate surrounding its true nature is far from over. As new observations are made and more data is analyzed, we may find that Oumuamua is merely the first of many interstellar visitors in the future. Such objects could become more common, and our ability to detect and study them could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. This could lead to the discovery of other objects like it, potentially offering clues about the origins of the universe, the conditions that sustain life, and the possibility of extraterrestrial civilizations. In the end, the study of Oumuamua will continue to serve as a reminder of the importance of open-mindedness in scientific inquiry. The mysteries of the cosmos are vast, and the answers we seek may not always come in the forms we expect. As we expand our exploration of space and develop more sophisticated tools for understanding the universe, we will surely encounter more surprises, objects, phenomena, and perhaps even forms of life that challenge everything we think we know. The pursuit of knowledge about the cosmos is not just about discovering new facts but about fundamentally altering our perspective on our place in the universe.